Hi and welcome to the video on finding a car and doing the budget sheet for your car. We're going to start with practice. Then you would find a car and car insurance. That's when you do the actual. So start here, and then once you found a car and car insurance, you're here. Okay. So we picked 16% for our percentage. We will convert that into decimal point by moving it to the left 2 times, so 0.16, and then times our ATI. So this is, I've actually done both my job 1 and job 2 at the same time. So that is, I have yearly amounts of $6,639 and $7,750. Once I have done that, I'm going to divide my yearly by 12, and that gives me my monthly. So I have this amount here, and so I need to go shopping, and so you can afford to pay for car and car insurance about $550 and about $650. Now, one thing you want to do before you go shopping, and so here's the tip on how to determine how much car you can afford, is first you take that monthly amount and you're going to subtract $200. So you're basically saving about $200 or maybe $250 or so on car insurance. So once you have figured that out, you're going to multiply your answer times 48, because it's about how many car payments you'd make, and that will tell you about how much car that you can afford. Okay, so then I used cars.com. It's an easy and good website. I'm looking for a Volkswagen Beetle, and my top was $17,000. Okay, so then that brings you to this page. You're going to scroll until you find what car you are interested in. I found this Volkswagen Beetle, and so once I have done that, we are going to find that printer friendly click, and we're going to click there, and it brings us to this nice document. And again, you click print. We're going to make sure that we have cute PDF writer here as your to print, and it will save, ask you to save. And this is, so for your job 1 car, it's 2C job 1 car, and then your job 2 car is 3C job 2 car. So that's for the PDFs and how you save those. Okay, so after you've saved them, go to your folder, open the Adobe Acrobat, and you are going to once you've calculated the price, which here you do number of thousands, which you've got, so we have, this is the amount here, and we've got 16,495. So in order to round, you have to round up, because you have to round more than what you can afford. I mean, more than what is being paid. So we would round up to 17. So it's asking, so number of thousands. So you don't put 17,000. The number of thousands we need to borrow is 17. And then you need to decide, is it new or is it used? And so this is a used car, so I would use the 21 as my multiplier. So you have the choice 17 new or 21 used. Okay, so once you've done that, you need to find car insurance. There is a car insurance worksheet in your Part 2 folder that will help you with that. So once you have found, you're going to print, and you should have this, and so you want to highlight that payment, and so I have 186. Okay, so then we have to fill in the blanks for our actual cost. So I have my 17. I chose 21 as my multiplier, which equals 357. I have $186 a month for car insurance, which equals 543. So then I take my 543 and that is your monthly payment. Which leads us, then we take our monthly with 543 and we multiply it by 12. Gives us the 6,516. Then we take our 6,516 and we are going to divide it by our ATI. And that gives you, it'll give you a decimal. So then you're going to move that decimal 2 to the right, so that it gives you the percentage, which is 16% for this job. Okay, now the other part, now I know this is a house, but you can do the same thing. When you're in cars.com or whatever, you want to right click and save image as. You're gonna save a picture of your car for your PowerPoint. So make sure you do that, and that's 2C job 1 car, and then 3C job 1 job 2 car. So same type of thing. All right, so again, there's the JPEGs of the car, so you just make sure you have pictures of your car. You're going to repeat this process for job 2, and so if you need to watch the video again, you may. And again, email rhsmrsdamon@gmail.com for questions or to request. I have the documents, PowerPoints, and videos all on Google Drive, so I can share those with you for you to do at home. Thanks.